Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patterns. So guys, in this video I have beautiful collection of cushions. They are so super colorful. All the designs are really colorful in this video. I especially make this video to just collect all the colorful ideas of cushions that can enhance the beauty and style of your living room, drawing room, or any bedroom. Nowadays it's really trendy and in fashion to just add more cushions to your bedroom, drawing room, or living room to just give a really artistic and beautiful look. These all cushions are super colorful in multicolors and beautiful patterns, which will give you beautiful idea to just make add-ons to your house when you are planning to set your drawing room or bedroom and dining area. You can use these ideas by using this colorful collection of cushions. You can see all the colorful cushions are amazingly beautiful and looking really eye-catching. If you are bored with the simple kind of drawing room and dining areas and bedrooms, you can just add so much colors with help of these beautiful cushions. Just add some cushion on your simple looking sofa. It will enhance the look of sofa and enhance the look of drawing room also. All the designs are super stylish and colorful with beautiful flowery patterns on them and bright colors also. I hope guys you're liking the collection which I have gathered for this video to just give you an idea how to make beautiful house, how to make the beautiful drawing room and bedrooms by adding these little things. The bright colors with so many good combinations are looking beautiful and stylish. It gives you really traditional way and a really classic way to just add beauty to your house. Guys, on my video I have seen so many comments. People are asking for the orders. If you want these kind of cushions and anything about the crochet, you can just give me tell me in the comments so that I can arrange these kind of things for you. But if you want, I can arrange these kind of things for you, but the delivery charges will be applied. And for this you have to pay the advance payment. I will just show you your collection when it's ready. I can make these kind of collection on order. If you want to just buy these collections, you can just tell me in the comment. I have seen so many comments on my videos that people are asking that are you selling it, or are you just how can we order. So I'm telling you, if you want anything from my video, any project, any pattern you're liking, if you want to buy these things, you can just send me a message or just send me a comment. I will definitely just assist you, and I will provide you the beautiful collection of crochet. I hope guys you're liking the collection which is being showed in this video. All the cushions are really colorful and stylish. I will share my Instagram account. You can just go and just place the order there. I will show you the once my work is just ongoing. Once it will be finished and the page will be fully maintained, I will share this link in this my channel. You can just order there for any kind of crochet things. I hope you liking the collections which I share on my channel. If you want to know or just want to watch something really special on about crochet, you can just send me your feedback through your comments. I will go through the comments and I will make sure that I will just fulfill your desires and your requests. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I put more videos full of ideas and patterns of crochet, you just get the notification and you can just take the advantage of these beautiful collection if you are going to make for yourself or just making it for to just give the gifts. These are really amazing ideas, and if you want to buy these things, you can just send me a message. I will definitely arrange these things for you. I hope guys you're liking the videos and designs shared in my videos, and I just need your appreciation. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon also, and share my videos with your loved ones so that they can also use these ideas for their house and anything. Till then, just wait for my next video and stick to my channel so that you will be using these ideas for you. Thank